Another bullish day yesterday for gold and silver, where we have seen gold and silver both trading bullish and hitting the record levels again. We have seen gold in the earlier trade today hitting 2750 levels, the next resistance zone, while silver has also moved close to $35 levels. What to expect today? Can we expect this bull run to continue today as well, or there is a possibility of a reversal or retracement? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators and do a multi-time frame analysis in order to arrive at a level which you can take a trade, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Watch gold on the hourly charts, you can see it has hit the highs here. It has shown a reversal here. This long-term trend line has given it a good resistance, and we have discussed this that 27 for 50-52 is going to be a greater resistance. We have seen it reversing from the same zone. Now on the hourly charts, I can also see that a little support has come in at around 2738 levels, which is definitely proven out to be a great support. And then below this, you can find out the next support at around 2730. It is very important for gold to trade below 2730 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. If you look at the move here, see the rise here, then the bigger drop has appeared, then higher highs, there could be a possibility of a drop or a move towards 2730 levels here. We should not ignore this. But right now, also another point to notice, it is still trading in this bullish channel here, where in fact 2730 appears to be a level below which definitely you can say more bearishness will prevail. Moving averages consistently looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone from where the recovery can be expected, while the MACD after the crossover is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, just 3 candles away. There is still not much of room, but this is just hourly chart, so we have to look into other charts as well, because see it can converge and again keep on moving on the up. So if you see a bullish crossover here, then only you can confirm that a possible reversal towards the upside can be seen. Right now it is showing bearishness. RSI has dropped here, coming to 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, straight bearish candles here, and it has come closer to 20 period moving average. Monday we have seen a fall which has taken the prices below 20 period, and then again it has resumed the uptrend here. So right now also you can notice the 20 period moving average sitting at around 2734 is all again going to be a good support. So if you are selling at 2738, we have to be careful for 2734, then 2730 levels. Once it breaches this zone, you can say more bearishness will prevail, and then we can look forward to greater downside. Right now it is not willing to drop more. We have to wait and we have to watch out with caution. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with divergence here. This is just 2 candles away. There is possibility for more, because see it has crossed over at the top, then this is the first bearish move retracement and again taking a direction. So it appears there is a little more downside available today. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, notice the trend is clearly trading in a bullish channel here. Only break is below 2730, below which we can expect slight bearishness, else it is still not to be treated bearish. But another point to note here is, see, this bullishness is bit aggressive compared to this one. You can see also the highs are getting lowered here. The slope is getting changed, which is suggestive that the bulls are a bit exhausted as of now. So at this point, definitely we have to exercise extra caution, at least till 2750 levels, 2750-52, which is going to be a greater resistance. We have to wait till then for a buying position. Now see, today it is shown a reversal. First breakout candle has appeared, but the current candle is starting off with a double bottom. So this double bottom is crucial. It has to break below these lows in order to confirm further bearish move here. If you look at a stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence and is staying bearish. It has tried to cross over once, failing to do so, again looking downwards. And remember, this crossover has come at a slightly higher level, so it appears there is not much of downside available here. And that is why also I say yes, you can sell here at 37.5, 2738 levels. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 4 hour. The observation is more or less same on the 4 hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. Now even if it tries to retrace, it is again delivering higher lows, which means it is going to be difficult for gold to stay below 2730. And if it does trade below 2730, we can look forward to a greater down move, which can in fact take the prices towards 2720 levels as well. Moving averages trading with extreme divergence, stochastic dropping here from the overbought zone, MACD also crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish. It appears there is not much of downside available, but it requires a greater bearish candle for it to continue with this. Right now, I can see it is trying to show a pullback here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to now, see, another point to note here is look at the gap it has given today with the market open. Yesterday is closed at the highs and today it has started with the gap down, and thus it can try to attempt to fill this gap, if not today, possibly tomorrow or day after tomorrow with the NFP data. So yes, at this point we have to exercise extra caution. Right now it is willing to retrace. And now coming back to the 4-hour charts and the daily charts, see, on the 4-hour chart, this is the first red candle. There is a possibility of a second red candle from here. We have to wait. We have to still wait for it to trade below 2738. Now coming to the daily, see, on the daily charts it has started on a bearish note, but I can say as long as it fails to breach the midpoint of the preceding candle, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now midpoint here is 2725 level, so 2735 level. So yes, 273435 is another level which you should wait for, and then 2730 will appear, below which certainly more bearishness will prevail. Also remember, on the daily charts it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. If it continues to deliver even the highs here, it can in fact move towards 2760, 64, and then 2771 levels. If you look at the divergence of the price from the moving average is too much, it has to converge. What has happened here should replicate, but right now it is not showing any signs of pullback. Stochastic is staying extremely overbought. MACD is still rising, looking upwards, and the RSI is overbought as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, do join the Signals channel and enjoy trading. It is on Telegram and it's a private channel. So reach out to me if you want to just trade as per the signals. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker where you can trade safe, secure, where the transactions are easy, the withdrawals are easier, and which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy at 2748 levels. When you see the lower prices above 2748, initiate a buying entry. Expect 2752 as the first target, 2758 the next, then 2764, and then 2771 levels will appear here. In fact, it can breach past those levels as well. However, we have to exercise a bit of caution as it is entering into slightly overbought zone. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2738 when you see 37.5, rather when you see the higher prices below 2737.5. Take a selling entry, expect 2734, 2730, and staying below 2730-28 is where you can see more bearishness towards 27-20-22. And if it breaks 27-20, stay short. We are looking forward to a greater correction in gold, which appears to be not the case. That I still say that we have to watch out till 2720, below which only we can say slight bearishness, and then this time we can in fact wait for 2700 again. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver has also given a gap down here, and we can see that a good resistance is observed at around 3485 zone. Also look at the formation of flat top is seen, and then it has continued with the downside. Now it is very important for silver to trade below 3440, 3415 zone. This complete zone is going to remain critical for it to break past by only and only if it trades below 3415, and then we can say 343380. Below 3380 is where the bears are waiting. As long as it stays above 3380, we should not be treating this as bearish for the day. Now, see what it has done. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average, which means it has to stay below the 20 period moving average in order to confirm further bearishness. So I will wait for it to trade now below 3440. You can take a selling entry there. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, while MACD and RSI both are suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise flat top, slight bearishness, higher low. See, also another point to note here is it was trading here in this bullish channel. It has breached this channel. It appears there could be a possible retracement towards 3430 zone. Now 3420, 3430, which was earlier the resistance, is going to be the support here, below which you can expect slight increase in bearishness. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD trading bearish, just 2 candles away after the crossover. Appears there is not much of downside available here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, which is again a slight bearish sign here for silver. Coming to 3 hour. Look at 3-hour charts here, flat top and a reversal sign, first bearish candle, symmetrical formation. Possibly the current candle might remain in zone as well, and then we can see it moving towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 34. Also remember it has breached this channel, which is a bearish sign here. Wait for it to now trade below 34.40 and then you can confirm more bearishness. Then in fact we can expect a movement towards $34 levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over here at the top, and see this crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels from a double top. So possibility of a retracement cannot be denied. What has happened here, hitting the highs we have seen a sharper fall. This time it has formed a double top, it could continue with the down move here. RSI is still staying overbought, it has to come out of it in order to confirm further bearishness. On the 4-hour chart, the observation on the 4-hour charts is same. See the rise, the retracement, the rise, and see the magnitude of the rise is definitely got diminished. However, it is not yet given up. Yes, it is not giving up. It can bounce back, it can correct again, it can rise again. There is still room for further rise. Any rise beyond $35 level certainly should be an indication that we are looking forward to a good round of rally again. But yes, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to convert, and hence if you see silver trading below 34.40, you can initiate a selling entry here and see a possible move towards 34, 33.80 cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought, MACD has seen a strong rise, it is willing to converge, crossover. I will wait for it to cross over for it to continue with the further downside here. Yes, it could retrace here. RSI just staying overbought but looking downwards, waiting for it to come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, a flat top is seen, but yes, a preceding candle has a little wick, and see this is coming after a bit of consolidation. So if you see it is staying above 35, do not think of selling silver. We can look forward to 35.25, 35.50, and then 3580 levels, which are going to be the next milestones, next stronger resistance. The farther it moves away, the stronger will be the reversal. But right now it is not showing any signs of reversal here. If you divide this into two, you can find out this is how silver has been trading. It is almost at the top of it, and if it starts to retrace, we can look forward to a move towards 32.50, $33 levels soon. But appears not the case for this week or today. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. Looking at this, I will only recommend you to buy at 34.85 levels. Expect $35 levels first target. 35.3505 should be a good resistance. Then 35.2025 and then 35.50 levels should appear. Beyond this, certainly we are looking forward to a good move towards 35.80 and $36 level. On the downside, sell at 34.50 levels. Expect 34, 30, 34.20 levels, first target 34, the next 33.80 the third, and then we can see a greater fall towards 33.50. Chances for such a strong move appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership. See you again before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.